Hi, welcome to this video. This is Alina and I'm going to explain about my projects. But before diving into the code section, I will explain what is MQTT, which is a protocol I'm using in this task. MQTT is an open, lightweight, publish, subscribe messaging protocol, which is specifically for machine-to-machine M2M communication in IoT. MQTT behaves like a messaging system where devices communicate with one another through a broker. Broker is like a middle helper. It helps the M2M communication. One device can publish a message on a topic, and any device interested in that topic can subscribe to the message. This method enables indirect communication between devices and allowing them to exchange message without a direct connection. So in this project, as I said, I'm using the MQTT and the ultrasonic protocol. Here you can see that for the MQTT protocol, I'm using the PubSub client. Then here is my ultrasonic pins. The trigger pin is connected to pin 2 for the Arduino board, and the echo pin is connected to the pin 3 on the Arduino board, and my LEDs pin as well. Here we have some volatile variables which I use for the interrupt, which I will just explain how it's working. And then the Wi-Fi connection method, the on-message method, which is for the controlling the LEDs, and my connect MQTT, which is connect to the MQTT, and the echo ISR, which is a interrupt method. I'm using it in the setup. Here, as you can see, here's the echo ISR. And the trigger ultrasonic, which is for the trigger pin. And here I have a get distance method which is used here. So the logic is like if the distance is less than 10, the wave message will appears. If it's between 10 and 20, the pat message will appears. Let me just explain about the interrupt. So the interrupt is only for the sensor's echo pin. This helps the microcontroller measures the pulse very quickly without stopping the rest of the code. This way, the system keeps running smoothly when we open the MQTTX and watch the topics. We can see, and when we just watch the topics, we can see how that smoothly just works. So here I will just open the MQTTX. So as you can see here, the messages will show up. So now I will just move to my circuit and show how it's working and how we can see the messages in the MQTTX. So as you can see here, here's my board. We have the ultrasonic sensor. As you can see here, it is connected to the VCC is connected to the pin 3 volt. We have the ground pin here, and the trigger, which is trigger pin, is connected to pin 2 on the board, and the echo one is connected to the pin 3 here, and the LEDs are connected to pin 4 and 5. And we have our LEDs here. So here's the output of the whole circuit and the serial monitor. So the thing I will just do is put my hand in front of the sensor, less than 10. As you can see here, the distance is really close. We have our LEDs on. I will just make it further, maybe something between 10 and 20. Here, I think it's good. Yep. And as you can see, the light is on, the light is off. So I will just show you one more time here. I will just keep my hand closed, further, and then off. Yep, that's it, how it is working. And if I just go to the MQTT, when I keep my hands closed, you can see it here. I just take my hands further. Yeah, here are the messages that we're seeing on the MQTT-X as well. That's it. Thank you for your attention.